So the process for this, for all 4 ignition coils, is going to be the same, so I'm just going to show you one of them. To start, remove or pull back on this red tab here. This is what locks the connector in place. A little pocket screwdriver should help you out. Push down on this and pull the connector off. There we go. With an 8mm, remove this bolt. Pull it off and take your ignition coil, wiggle it around a little bit to break it free. There it is. Take your new ignition coil. I like to put a little bit of silicone paste or dielectric grease on the end here. That's going to do two things. One, it's going to seal up against the spark plug, and 2, it's going to allow it not to get stuck on the spark plug in the future. Sometimes they do that. Take it, press it down all the way. While I'm here, might as well connect it. Make sure that clicks and lock the lock back in. Put your bolt in, snug it up. Now do the same to all the rest.